What if I told you there are free AI tools so powerful, they feel like you're breaking the rules just by using them? These tools can automate your work, make content for you, even talk like you. And guess what? You don't have to pay a single rupee. Hey everyone, welcome to AI Infinity, your daily dose of AI and future tech. Today, I'm showing you 5 free AI tools that feel, well, kind of illegal. Let's jump right in. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. You already know it, but even the free version of ChatGPT can write essays, debug code, plan businesses, and explain anything instantly. It's like having a genius best friend who never sleeps. Tool number 2, Pictory.ai. This one's a YouTuber's dream. Paste your script, and Pictory auto-generates a full video with stock footage, subtitles, and music. No editing, no camera. 100% AI. Tool number 3, Leonardo. I need artwork, thumbnails, or game assets. Leonardo gives you mind-blowing images, mid-journey style, for free. Just type what you want, and it delivers magic. Tool number 4, ElevenLabs. Clone your voice, or pick one from their ultra-realistic library. This AI sounds real, perfect for faceless YouTube videos like this one. Tool number 5, Notion AI. If you use Notion, this AI can summarize notes, write blogs, brainstorm ideas, all within your workspace. It's your silent productivity partner. These tools can save you time, boost your income, and unlock your creativity. And the best part? They're absolutely free. So if this blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Because tomorrow, I'm showing you 3 AI tools that will make you money in 2025. See you in the future.